Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Pandey and today this is video 6 on the chapter Lost Spring written by Anish Jung. Let us start. I want to drive a car. This is the second story and this story is about a boy named Mukesh who is a bangle maker in Firozabad. In this story, Anish Jung has described the poor working conditions of bangle makers in Firozabad. Let us start. Mukesh insists on being his own master. Insist means forces. Actually, Mukesh forces on being his own master. He wants to be his own master. He does not want to be a servant. I will be a motor mechanic, he announces. He announces that he will be a motor mechanic. Do you know anything about cars? I ask. I mean, here the writer. The writer asks him if he knows anything about cars. I will learn to drive a car. He answers. He answers. He answers that he will learn to drive a car. Looking straight into my eyes. My eyes means the writer's eyes. And Mukesh is looking straight me directly into the writer's eyes. It shows his confidence. Mukesh has confidence that one day he will learn to drive a car. His dream, his dream looms like a mirage amidst the dust of streets that fill his own town, Firozabad, famous for its bangles. See the line? Looms, first see the word. Looms. Looms means appears. See the word. He dream. See the line. Sorry. His dream looms. Loom means appears like a mirage. Mirage means illusion. Mirage means illusion. Now what is mirage? See. Mirage is an optical illusion in which atmospheric refraction by a layer of hot air distorts or inverts reflections of distant objects. Now see the line. His dream looms means appears like a mirage amidst the dust of streets that fill his own town, Firozabad. Famous, actually, Firozabad is famous for its bangles. Every other family in Firozabad is engaged in making bangles. Very simple line. Most of the people of Firozabad are engaged in bangle making. Actually, this is family business, family work in Firozabad. That's why every other family in Firozabad is engaged in making bangles. It is the center of India's glass blowing industry. It means Firozabad. It, Firozabad is the center of India's glass blowing industry. What is glass blowing industry? Actually, glass blowing industry in the in the glass blowing industry is the industry in which glass is blown into different decorative shapes and sides. Understood? See, it is the center of India's glass blowing industry where families have families have spent generations working around furnaces because it is family work. That's why families have spent generation after generation working around furnaces. Furnace hurts, bhatti. Actually, these people work around furnaces. Welding glass, welding glass, building of glass is done by melting it. Building is joining glass by belting, making bangles for all the women in the land. It seems, it seems that in Firozabad, families have spent generation after generation working around furnaces, welding glass, making bangles for all the women in the land means the country, India, it seems. Mukesh's family is among them. Mukesh's family is among them. His family is also among this family. And in the family of Mukesh, making bangles is main work. None of them know that it is illegal for children like him to work in the glass furnaces with high temperature. But nobody knows that it is crime, it is illegal for children like Mukesh, like him, like Mukesh, to work in the glass furnaces with high temperature, where temperature is very high. In dingy cells, dingy means dark and dirty. Cells mean small rooms, and these furnaces are set up in very dirty, dark, small rooms. That's why atmosphere is very suffocating, and there is no proper arrangement of light and air. Without air and light, and there is no proper arrangement of air and light, that they don't know that the law, if enforced, if law is enforced, if law is forced, if law is applied, could get him good could get him, could take him and other and all those 20,000 children out of the hot furnaces. They don't know if law is forced, it can take Mukesh and many other nearly 20,000 children out of hot out of the hot furnaces where they slog means work their daylight hours. They work from sunrise to sunset and often losing, and there they are losing the brightness, the eyesight of their eyes, and they lose the eyesight of their eyes. They don't know about the law. These people are ignorant. They are illiterate. They have no knowledge of the law. They don't know if law is applied, so law can take out Mukesh and nearly 20,000 children like Mukesh who work in such hot conditions around hot furnaces and who lose their eyesight by working in such conditions. But unfortunately, these people don't have the knowledge to come out from such poor conditions. And unfortunately, there is nobody to help them. Thank you. Have a nice day.